We are pleased to show you the 2020 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, compass, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.